Ассаламуағаликүм достар, сіздермен бірге мен Әділ. Бүгінгі видеода сіздер eSports ойыншыларының сеттарын көретін боласыздар. Бүгін осыны көрсететін болам. Егер сіздерге видео ұнап жатса, лайктарыңызды басып, комментария жазып кетіңіздер. Комментарияға любой сөз жазып кетіңіздер. 5 сөзден сосын рандомды танып, бір адамға 100 алмас сыйлайтын болам. Ендеше кеттік. Бүгінгі видеоның демеушісі бір хабет. Онда үлкен ұтыстар және тез ақшаңызды шығара аласыздар. Ең сенімді букмекер. Тек қана спорт емес, сондай-ақ кейбір спортта бар. Комментариядағы сілтеме арқылы тіркелсеңіздер, алғашқы депозитқа 35 000 теңге менің промокодым арқылы бонус ала аласыздар. Комментариядағы сілтеме арқылы кіріп тіркелеміз.
Pain goes by when you just don't think about, when you just don't think about it, no. Pain goes by when you just don't think about, when you just don't think about it, no. I think my vision's getting blurry, swear the reaper's in a hurry. Yeah, I say I got no worries, but feels like nothing's gonna cure me. I don't really know why, been so damn sick of this ride. Just one off so I can feel normal for once. Fantasize about gripping the gun. And I got lots of problems, medicated to solve them. Slowly I've been falling, slowly I've been falling. I got lots of problems, medicated to solve them. Slowly I've been falling, slowly I've been falling. No, no.
Voices slow in my head. I don't want no more drugs. Voices loud in my head. I don't want no more.
Pain goes by when you just don't think about, when you just don't think about it, no. Pain goes by when you just don't think about, when you just don't think about it, no. I've been living by myself, my parents saying find help, but therapy is kinda scary, yeah, that's what my brain repels. I've been living sedentary, driving past the cemetery, couple feet right from my house. If that's the end, then I want out. I got lots of problems, medicated to solve them. Slowly I've been falling, slowly I've been falling. I got lots of problems, medicated to solve them. Slowly I've been falling, slowly I've been falling. No, no.
Voices slow in my head. I don't want no more drugs. Voices loud in my head. I don't want no more.
Pain goes by when you just don't think about, when you just don't think about it, no. Pain goes by when you just don't think about, when you just don't think about it, no. Pain goes by when you just don't think about, when you just don't think about it, no. Pain goes by when you just don't think about, when you just don't think about it, no. I think my vision's getting blurry, swear the reaper's in a hurry. Yeah, I say I got no worries, but feels like nothing's gonna cure me. I don't really know why, been so damn sick of this ride. Just one off so I can feel normal for once. Fantasize about gripping the gun.
And I got lots of problems, medicated to solve them. Slowly I've been falling, slowly I've been falling. I got lots of problems, medicated to solve them. Slowly I've been falling, slowly I've been falling. No, no. Voices slow in my head. I don't want no more drugs. Voices loud in my head. I don't want no more.
Pain goes by when you just don't think about, when you just don't think about it, no.